Hey, I wanted to show you the progress on the character design. This is in Unity, and I kind of got some ideas from Live 2D, which is really cool, but I'm not very good at using it. So what I've done instead is I've used Stable Diffusion in Comfy UI to create a lot of textures, and rather than doing the head swapping, just swapping out the whole face, instead I'm using a shader and texture arrays. Let's see if I can show you some of that. So this is, yeah, it's a bit of a mess. We've got a bunch of different arrays. Got a head array for the main shape of the head, so the head can change shape. Haven't done variations on that yet, but technically it could. Got an array for the eye, like the frame of the eye, the main shape of the eye. Same for mouths, for noses. Then I've got the eye dynamic array. So, and yeah, I had ChatGPT help me with this. But yeah, it made a lot of mistakes, and it did take a little while to work out because I had no idea about any of this beforehand. So that dynamic array is really just for the eye movement. So wanted to be able to move the iris in the eye without having it on mesh. It's just on the shader. So I've also got the other components of the eye in that. You'll be able to see that down here. So I've got the UV calculations for both eyes. This isn't optimized at all. This is just at its kind of working stage. Yeah, a lot of this was just, just doing it over and over again until it actually looked alright. Yeah, so you've got the frame of the eye, the iris, the sclera. I don't even know how to say that word, but it's the white bit in your eye. And there's the shade that goes over the top of it, like for the eyelid. There's the nose, UVs. And the mouth is always centered currently, which is fine because I just want to keep a structure for the texture so that I can have like a pipeline, easy pipeline through Comfy into an image editor and then into here. It's just doing all the sampling. Starts off with the head texture, which is just it's a head with no mouth, no eyes, no nose, and no hair. It's got the ears on it currently. And so yeah, it blends. I'm going to have to change the orders of these, and I might make the order dynamic based on certain situations. I might have to reorder things, but that shouldn't be too hard to do. I'm not aware of the limitations on how much crap you can put into a shader, but hopefully I don't run into that. Yeah, so it just blends it all. And I'm currently using the alpha for the head texture as like an override so that it clips anything that might possibly go outside of the head frame. It clips it off, but I might have some edge cases where I need to do some priority on alpha for the output. Yeah, I can get rid of that one. So that's that. And the other stuff is just experimental just some shape key blending on the mesh. Mainly for the hair, like I wanted the hair to move, and some eye movements. It's just early days. So yeah, you don't get to see it until you press play. There it is. Yeah, so currently it's just repeating it's meant to be a subtle face animation. I think I've got it amped up, so it's a bit high at the moment. But yeah, you can go through the mouths. Now I was debating whether to do the same thing that I did with the eyes with the mouth, like have the throat sort of as the background, like with the eyes, what I've done there, and then have like the tongue, and then have a upper part of the mouth and a lower part of the mouth. It just seemed like so much work, but I don't know, I'll think about it. If I can come up with a good workflow, I might do it like that. But yeah, currently there's a lot more work needed, but it works, and it's just all on the shader. So it's, you can see on this screen, you got, there it is. Got a plane for the back hair, plane for the front hair, and then a plane for the face. And the way I've done it so far is I just, in Blender, I traced out the face, inverted, did a decimate, because originally it was like 64 by 64 or something. And yeah, currently I'm just working with what's left. I was going to do a subdivide just so I could get better accuracy on the shape keys, but I haven't messed with that yet. Yeah. Let me know if you've got any ideas. I've got to work on the body as well. I'm not sure how I'm going to divide that up, whether I just do like a torso and then the legs, or do everything separate. I'm not sure yet, but yeah, I'm going to have to get stuck into that soon. I'll just see if we can show you. Increase the wind speed. You can see the hair, yeah. I need to work on the shapes. That was just really a rush job. You can see it's, a bit janky. Very janky. I'm just increasing the wind speed and the weight strength. I can increase oh my god. Yeah, it's stretching the teeth out. But yeah, I mean, it's definitely better than what I had, which was just static images swapping out for the whole head. Now I haven't even looked at how much memory this uses. I'll just, I mean, I don't know, that seems reasonable to me, the speed. And to be fair, there probably won't be a lot of other crap going on when this is going on. But yeah, I'll add in the interaction as well so that you can interact with the character. But I haven't done that yet. I've got all the scripts for it. It's not going to be a big deal. Yeah. Let me know what you think. If you got any ideas, suggestions, criticisms, comments. Alright, cheers.